everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new, my name's Ellie and I do beauty, fashion and lifestyle content. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a Shein haul. I love Shein as a brand and I'm really excited to be collaborating with them again on this video. So thank you so much to Shein for gifting me these items. But yeah, let's just get on into the video. If you do enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. And without further ado, let's get on into the haul. I have some items here to show you and this haul is festival inspired. I am so excited. I love this time of year so much, and yeah, these outfits I've picked out for my festival that I'm going to in a few weekends time. I am so buzzing, like honestly so excited. When these arrived yesterday and obviously I got them out and just had a look at them and I got very excited. So yeah, I'm really excited to be showing you them today, and it's going to be a try on haul so you can fully see what it looks like on and everything like that. So yeah, I am super excited to get into it. I'm going to start off strong and I'm going to show you my first outfit. So this outfit I think is going to be my favourite of like what I wear that weekend. But yeah, this one I picked out and I was like, wow, yeah, I love this. Like this is definitely my favourite outfit out the whole haul. It's a co-ord. I love a good co-ord for a festival. Like honestly, co-ords are my like go-to for a festival. They're just amazing. You don't have to put too much thought into it. The pieces are already together for you, and yeah, you're just sorted straight away. So the first thing in this co-ord is this little mini skirt. It just looks like so. How cute is this like print and colour, by the way? I don't think I have anything green, and obviously for festival season as well, you can get away with wearing anything. And yeah, I love dressing up for festivals. So this is the print that it looks like. So you've got like these, I don't know, are they cherubs, angels? It's this green mesh type of material. Don't know if you can see that. There we go, it's like this green mesh type of material. It's also got obviously the underskirt in lime green under there too. So this is the little mini skirt. I got that in a size extra small. And then we have the little showstopper, as I'd call it, of the co-ord. This is the top, so it just looks like so. This is fully mesh, so I'm gonna have to wear like a little bralette or something underneath it. I was thinking maybe one of my lounge ones that I've got underneath. Maybe even need like some nipple covers as well. We'll see how it goes. But this is what I love about this top. So here are the sleeves. How funky are these? I love it. So on the website, this had fishnet tights underneath it and it looked so grungy, so cool. With a pair of dark glasses, I was thinking fishnet tights, my big black boots, and yeah, just going for like the grungy style. I just really thought that would be sick. So I think that's what I'm going to go for when wearing this outfit. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very booby, and of course you're going to have to wear like a bralette or something underneath it, or maybe just some nipple covers. But if you're not as confident as that, like I'm not really, I don't think I'd wear nothing underneath it, then yeah, I'd definitely say nipple covers or a good bralette. I think I've got a lounge one that I could actually wear underneath it, so, but that's mesh too, so hopefully you still can't see, like, because it's a good couple of layers of mesh layered over the top of each other, it might be okay, but I may need to also wear nipple covers too. But we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that is the first co-ord and I absolutely love it, so I'm really excited to try it on. So this is the little green outfit. How cute is this? You see my little belly bar popping through. But I absolutely love this. I think this is my favourite. I'm going to obviously cut the tag out. But basically I've put a bikini top underneath this. And yeah, this is how I'll wear it at the festival. But yeah, this is definitely my favourite outfit. I'm just obsessed. I love the green. The skirt is like very mini. It's a very like mini skirt, but it's alright. I'm used to pulling skirts down. But yeah, I am obsessed. This is definitely my favourite outfit. I love the sleeves as well. The sleeves just so cute. Next thing we have here is a pair of trousers. Now these are so nice. So this is what they look like. I saw these on the website and I just instantly knew straight away like what I wanted to put with them. So again, these with my black boot. So they're like this marbly print, I'd say, and they're black and cream, and yeah, they're just so cute. So they just look like so. They are quite a stretchy material, so I'm hoping that they like stretch. I got these in a size extra small. Why didn't I pick them up in a small? Can't remember, but I got these in a size extra small. With Shein, I never know really what size to pick. It's so hard because sometimes like things are way too big on me, like in the size small, and other things are like just fit perfectly. And then in extra small it's the same, like some things are just way too small for me sometimes, or they fit perfectly. Like there's just no in between, so I just never know like what thing to pick. But anyway, I picked these up in a size extra small, and yeah, I just hope that they fit. They're really, really pretty and I really like them. And I was thinking those on like maybe the first day or something like that, or maybe if the weather's not looking too great, I'd wear them on a day like that rather than like a skirt cord or something. Here is the trousers. So these are really, really nice. I love these. I just think they're so tight on my bum that they just make me look like I've got zero bum. Like I don't really have a big bum anyway, but these trousers really don't help the fact. I do really like them though, but I just don't know if I'm gonna wear them for this festival. They're a really good length as well. I think with some black chunky boots they'd look nice, excuse my feet, but I don't think I'll be taking them with me to the festival. I think I've got something else that will go with this better. I then chose this little crop top here, or this little bandeau top, to go with those trousers, and I love this. Like this is super cute. So this is what it looks like. How cute is this? It's got a little love heart, like metal love heart details all down the middle of the cleavage. I'm obsessed. This is so cute. It's that really, really soft cotton material as well. So obviously you'd be great not wearing it with a bra because, well, you wouldn't be able to wear it with a bra anyway because obviously it's a bandeau. But you'd be great not wearing it with a bra anyway because that material's not going to irritate like your boobs, your nipples. I hate the material that when you've got no like bra on or bralette on, and it really like irritates your nipples. Like there's no worse feeling at all. But yeah, it is super cute. So I picked this up to go with those trousers, so I think that that would be a really, really cute outfit. And obviously then after the festival I could still wear this little bandeau top out, like when I'm going out on nights out. This will look really cute with shorts, little other mini skirts, tennis skirt. This will look really cute with as well. And yeah, I just love this. I thought it was super cute, and yeah, it'd pair with those trousers really, really well. It is the top. I am obsessed with this top. The little detailing down the middle is my favourite. I love the little love hearts, and yeah, it just fits so nicely. It's not see-through. Yeah, it's just such a cute little bandeau top. I love it. Another favourite thing of mine, I got this one piece. Now this is it's actually classed as a bikini, like swimsuit, but yeah, I wouldn't wear it as a swimsuit anyway. But this is so festival, like such festival vibes, honestly. So it just looks like so. You're going to see this so much better on in the try on clip. But so this is the top half, just like your normal bikini top. How gorgeous is this pattern, by the way? I love it. It comes with padding as well. And then the bottom half is just this pair of shorts, like little mini shorts, as you can see. It's an all-in-one outfit, so it just looks like so. Honestly, you're just going to see it so much better on, but can you kind of grasp what it's meant to look like? Maybe not. It's honestly so hard to hold up, but I got this in a size small. Yeah, I am super excited to try that on. It looks so funky, so cool. It also comes with this little mesh material here, which is to obviously make into a little bandana thing. I don't know if I'll use that, but I might use it. I'm going to take it with me anyway and see on the day. but with whatever hairstyle I do, I'm not really a bandana gal. Like, I don't know if it suits me, but when I've obviously got all my hair, my makeup done, then I may be feeling it. So yeah, this will be coming with me as well, but it came with the little swimsuit, so I'm quite happy that it did. It's really, really sweet. So yeah, I am super excited to try this on. I can't wait. So this is the all-in-one. I really like this. I think it's really, really groovy, really funky for festival season. Yeah, this one fits actually really well. I really like it. And like I say, I just love the pattern. Also, this one comes obviously with a bandana too, which I will probably try and put in my hair for the festival. And last but not least, I just picked up this little bralette. Now, I wasn't sure on this bralette at first, and I was thinking, do I like it? Do I not? But you know what? For a festival, you can get away with wearing anything. So I picked this little bralette here. How cute is this? Honestly, it is the softest material. I didn't expect it to be this soft. It is so soft. It's this gorgeous, like, bubblegum pink colour. The straps have got like this studded detail on them as well, which is super cool. But yeah, I was thinking with this, like maybe wearing it with my tennis skirt. I've got plenty of tennis skirts that this would go with. Even with denim shorts, this would look sick. I don't know if I'm going to wear this for my festival that I've got in a few weekends time, that I'm going to be wearing these outfits for, but I thought, you know what, I've got a few more like events and that planned and lined up towards the end of the year, so this may be a great thing to wear for those. And yeah, I definitely will be wearing it, but I just don't know if I'm going to be taking it to the festival that I'm going to in a few weeks. But yeah, I love this. I think it's super cute, very, very soft, and yeah, love it. So I'm excited to try that on as well. I got this bralette in a size small. So that is all my trying on. I haven't tried on the pink bralette because, well, I haven't done a clip for the pink bralette because when I tried it on, honestly, it was just too small. My boobs, I felt like they were gonna pop out, so I haven't like included a try on clip for that because yeah, it's just too small for me. The way it looked, it just wouldn't be appropriate for YouTube. So yeah, that is why there's no try on clip for that. So that is it for today's haul. I really do hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much to Shein for gifting me these items. I really appreciate it. And now this has made me so excited for my festival that I've got. Let me know down below if you're going to any festivals, if you're going to pick up any of these pieces, or if you've seen any other pieces on Shein that you really like, because I am still looking on there, still getting like backups and that, because I always like to take backups to a festival just in case like you wake up one morning and you're just not feeling that outfit on yourself. As a girl, like, I know what that's like. I do that plenty of times, so I always like to take backups too. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be shopping on that Shein website again for some more festival things. So do let me know down below if you've picked anything up that you think that I might like. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok, because you'll be seeing these outfits over there for sure. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for a brand new video. Bye!